Question 7. The powers of local Virginia governments are granted directly by the... All right, tricky here. I don't think this is directly in our notes, and it's not stated in the 9-box chart. Let's figure it out, though. Okay, so let's take a local government. Let's take our own, Fairfax County. So we're down here, Fairfax County. First, A. Answer choice A, Virginia Circuit Court. It's right here. It's the judicial branch. The judicial branch interprets laws. Does giving Fairfax County power, does that sound like something the Virginia Circuit Courts would do? Oh no. Okay, the Constitution of Virginia. Does the Constitution of Virginia give power to local governments? Sounds possible. All right, how about the United States Attorney General? Well, if the Attorney General was on the 9-box chart, at the federal level, it would be in the executive branch, just like it is in the executive branch at the state level. So it would be in here. Would the U.S. Attorney General even know anything about Fairfax County, Virginia? Not likely. And the last one is, does the U.S. Constitution, the Constitution of the United States, does it give power to Fairfax County? There's no mention of local governments in the Constitution. We should have learned that already. The Constitution reserves powers for the states, but there's no mention of local governments. So listen to this again, rewatch it if you need help and you think it can help you out. But that's all I've got for you on this one.